This is one value. And for omega is equal to infinity, you need to see what is magnitude. So 1 by 1 plus infinity into t. Okay. So 1 by infinity, if you get 1 by infinity, this is nothing but 0. So magnitude is 0. What is the phase? Tan inverse of infinity minus 90 degree. Now we have got two values here. At omega is equal to 0, magnitude, I'll come back to this part. Okay. Okay, let me take it here. For omega is equal to 0, magnitude you are getting it as 1 and phase angle is 0 degree. For omega is equal to infinity, 0 is the magnitude, minus 90 is the phase angle. Okay. Now always we take this plot here, like if you take this as plus 90, this would be minus 90. Or if I take this as say 270 degree, this will be minus 270 degree. So this is 180 degree, this is 0 or minus 180 degree. Okay, so everything is same only, right? So now you can see the plot. For omega is equal to 0, the magnitude is 1. Say the 1 is here. Okay, so this is 1, or at omega is 0. Okay, magnitude is 1, angle is 0. So it is on this axis. Okay, this is the 1 point. The other, to complete the plot, there is another point which is omega is equal to infinity and angle is magnitude is 0, angle is minus 90. So 0 is over here. Okay, so to reach this point, we'll have to go here. That is, first thing what you need to understand is it is type 0 and order 1. So this should lie in this quadrant, that is type 0 and order 1. So this is 1 and this is 0, minus 90. You need to touch to the minus 90 degree line. So which is the minus 90 degree line? This is the minus 90 degree line. So this is clear that you need to touch the minus 90 degree line for 0 magnitude, and this is type 0 order 1. So this plot has to lie in this particular quadrant. So this is the direction. This is what the polar plot. Okay, for type 0 and order 1. Okay, similarly we will see some more plots like this, then it is easy to solve the problem. So if you understand this, then the next part is the second one. I'll take the G of S here. So you can tell me first what is the type and the order of the system. So G of S is,
show me the graph, ma'am.
Okay. Take down.
90 degrees equivalent to 270 degree. Oh, ma'am.
See here we have the angular positions. That is, this we take it as 0, this we take it as 90, this is 180, and this is 270, right? Okay. Again you have 360. So this is plus and this is minus. Sorry. So here, correct aita? So this is 360. So we have 0, 90, 180, 270 and 360. But you can come across the minus angles also here. So in that case, what you need to do is, if this is 90, so this will be minus 90. If this is plus 270, this angle would be minus 270. Okay. So the rest is 180 degree here, minus 180 degree is nothing but 0 angle only. Okay. Any doubts?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so we can see the next part here. That is, there is another transfer function which is 1 divided by 1 plus st1, 1 plus st2. Now you can tell me what is the order and type. So type is 0. By seeing itself, you can see type is 0.
Uh, order
Order
2.
is, yes, very good. So order is 2. So after this, in the next part, what you need to do is you need to find out the magnitude and phase angle. Okay, so magnitude is g of j omega, that is replace the s by j omega. So modulus of g of j omega, which is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus j omega t1, 1 plus j omega t2. So mod of this. Okay, next. So the magnitude here is 1 divided by root of 1 plus omega square t1 square, root of 1 plus omega square t2 square. Okay, so similarly you need to see the phase angle. So phi is minus tan inverse of b by a. So here this is a plus a minus ib. Here you have another a minus ib. So tan inverse of omega t1 by 1 minus tan inverse of omega t2. Okay. So now you can see the plot by taking the values. So is that okay? So now I can take the heading here as this is type 0, order 2. Let me take this also as 2. Okay. Right. Now you can take the values and plot it. So to plot it, we need to have two values. That is, first is omega is equal to 0. So what is the magnitude? 1. Phase angle, you will get it as 0 degree again. Then for the second part, that is omega is equal to infinity, magnitude is 0. What is the phase here? Minus 90, minus 90. So minus 180. Is that fine? Tan inverse of infinity is minus 90, tan inverse of infinity is minus 90 again. So 90 minus 90, that is minus 180. Coming to the plot here. So if you segregate or take this as T0, T1, T2, T3, O1, O2, O3, O4. So where it lies? This is type 0, order 2. So this is the location where you need to plot it or where you can expect. Okay. So omega is equal to 0, magnitude is 1, angle is 0 degree. So for this 0 degree, I'll take one point here, which is omega is equal to 0 here. Okay, magnitude is 1, phase angle is 0. So this is 1, 0. Next you have magnitude is 0, but the phase angle is minus 1, 180. So minus 180 comes where? Here this is again 90, minus 90, 270, minus 270. This is 0 degree. This is 180 degree. This is again the minus 180 degree. Okay. So this is 0. Okay. This is interesting actually. So this is 0 and the angle is 180, minus 180. So how to take this is, you have this and this point. These 2 points cannot be like taken like this. You need to travel to O2, that is order 2, and come back to minus 180. How we can do that is, from here, this is the direction. Okay. So from here, for omega is equal to infinity, you need to come back like this. You can touch that 180-degree line. So this is the 180-degree line. So for 0, 180-degree like this. So this is the polar plot for the second condition, which is type 0 order 2. Okay, ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಾ? See here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ there are possibilities again. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. You can go from here to here. Okay, most of the students take this only, but they will be like in a wrong conception that as we have 2 points, I can just take this line here. No, you will have to go to the order 2 and come back to the order that is first line of the type 0. Okay, so you have one omega is equal to 0 here and omega is equal to infinity here. You have to go for omega is equal to 0 like this in this direction till infinity. This indicates that it is infinity, somewhere it is going, again it is touching 180-degree line. Okay, for omega is equal to 1 infinity, you are getting 0 angle 180, 0 magnitude 180-degree angle. So that 180-degree angle is this only. Again you need to touch this line. Okay, any doubts like this?
Ma'am, can I draw graph like this, ma'am? Omega is equal to 0, passes through order 4, then order 3, then order 2, then comes back to 0, minus 180 degree.
Like ಹೆಂಗಪ್ಪ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನ?
Ma'am, can I draw graph?
You can draw, wait, yeah, you can draw in the same sheet. Share your screen
Like this, ma'am.
yeah. Okay, what will happen here is, see, you are considering order 3 type 2, order 4 type 0. So you cannot consider all these and travel however you want. The signal won't travel like this in the present case. You cannot enter to the order 3 type 2 or order 4 type 0. Whatever is the order, whatever is the type, you need to consider that only. Is that okay?
But ma'am, order 1 is also considered in that in previous
No,
case.
order 1 is here. Your line is starting here with the order 2 and you are coming back to type 0. This is the type 0 line, but you are not crossing here. You are not entering to order 1 quadrant. Is it not? This
This one
shows
line.
that you are starting at type 1. So this is the type 1 line. You are starting here. Okay, so which is again the wrong one, because your magnitude is 0, sorry, 1, and the phase is 0 angle. How can you start with 90-degree line? You're showing here. How can you start with that point? This is nothing but, if I take this as magnitude 1 but angle is minus 90-degree, whatever the start point you have shown here, and the end point what you are crossing, if I take this is nothing but angle is 180. Say if I take magnitude again as 1, we are not getting any 1 and angle 180-degree plus 180-degree.
Yes, ma'am,
Correct?
got it. Correct,
So
ma'am.
carefully you need to take. Okay, so first thing what you write is the type and the order. Alle there only you need to play. You cannot exceed that location. Okay,
Yes,
right.
ma'am.
This is practically derived or is just theoretical basis?
Practically derived. You exit the share screening. Exit from the share. I'm not able to write here. ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೀಗ? Vishal.
Yes, ma'am.
Exit from the screen. Stop sharing, Anapali.
Ma'am, I'm not sharing the screen, ma'am.
No, you use the screen to write, right? You stop it. Like give the command. Click on the stop sharing.
I don't know. Stop
Mm.
sharing. Shit.